You wake up. Your alarm is screaming. You slept 8 hours. You should feel great. But you don't. You feel worse than when you went to bed. Your head is heavy. Your eyes are burning. You're exhausted, and you have no idea why. Every morning, millions of people wake up feeling tired. They blame their mattress, they blame their stress, they blame their busy lives, but the real reason is hiding deep inside your brain, and once you know what it is, you can fix it forever. Here is the secret reason you wake up exhausted every day. To understand why you wake up exhausted, you first need to understand sleep cycles. Sleep isn't one single state. It's a roller coaster. You go through cycles that last about 90 minutes each. In each cycle, you move through different stages: light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. REM stands for rapid eye movement. That's when you dream. Deep sleep is the most important stage for feeling rested. It's when your body repairs itself. It's when your brain clears out toxins. It's when your memories get stored. If you don't get enough deep sleep, you wake up feeling like a zombie. But here is the problem. Your alarm clock doesn't care about your sleep cycle. It cares about time. If you wake up in the middle of deep sleep, you are going to feel terrible. It's called sleep inertia. It's the groggy feeling that can last for hours. Your brain is literally trying to finish its cycle. So even if you slept 8 hours, if you woke up at the wrong time, you're exhausted. Now let's talk about adenosine. Adenosine is a chemical that builds up in your brain throughout the day. The more adenosine you have, the sleepier you feel. It's your body's way of telling you it's time to rest. When you sleep, your brain clears out adenosine. But here is the problem. Caffeine blocks adenosine receptors. That's why coffee keeps you awake. But when the caffeine wears off, all that built-up adenosine hits you at once. That's the afternoon crash. And if you wake up with a lot of adenosine still in your system, you feel exhausted. It's a chemical hangover. Your brain is flooded with sleep pressure that never got cleared. That is why you can sleep 8 hours and still feel like you haven't slept at all. Your body has an internal clock called the circadian rhythm. It runs on a roughly 24-hour cycle. It tells you when to wake up and when to sleep. It's controlled by light. When sunlight hits your eyes, your brain stops producing melatonin. Melatonin is the sleep hormone. When it gets dark, your brain starts producing melatonin again. But here is the problem. Your circadian rhythm is not perfectly aligned with your alarm clock. If your body thinks it's still nighttime, but your alarm forces you awake, you are fighting your own biology. It's called social jet lag. Your internal clock and your external schedule are out of sync, and that misalignment makes you exhausted. Studies show that people who wake up outside their natural circadian rhythm have higher rates of fatigue, depression, and even heart disease. Your body is screaming at you to sleep, but your alarm clock is screaming back. Now, let's talk about the hidden menace: sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is a condition where your airway closes while you sleep. You stop breathing, sometimes hundreds of times a night. Your brain panics. It wakes you up just enough to start breathing again. You don't even remember it happening. But your sleep is destroyed. People with sleep apnea can sleep 10 hours and wake up exhausted. They are choking all night. Their brain is in survival mode. This affects millions of people. Many don't even know they have it. If you snore loudly, if you wake up gasping, if you have a headache every morning, you might have sleep apnea. This condition can be treated, but if you don't treat it, it can lead to high blood pressure, heart attack, stroke, and chronic exhaustion. It is one of the most underdiagnosed conditions in the world. You know how you look at your phone before bed. You are destroying your sleep. Screens emit blue light. Blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime. It stops your brain from producing melatonin, the hormone that makes you sleepy. Without melatonin, you can't fall asleep deeply. You toss and turn. Your sleep becomes shallow, and you wake up tired. It's not just about falling asleep. It's about staying asleep. Blue light reduces your REM sleep. That's the stage where your brain processes emotions and memories. Less REM sleep means more exhaustion. The solution is simple. Stop looking at screens an hour before bed. Put your phone in another room. Read a book. Your brain will thank you. Let's talk about cortisol. Cortisol is the stress hormone. It wakes you up in the morning. That's normal. But when you are stressed, your cortisol levels spike too early. You wake up at 3 or 4 in the morning. Your heart is racing. You can't go back to sleep. This is a cortisol spike. It's your body's fight or flight response. Chronic stress means chronic high cortisol. It ruins your deep sleep. It keeps your brain on alert all night. You might be asleep, but your brain is still working. You wake up exhausted because you never truly rested. Your nervous system was fighting a battle all night long. If you constantly wake up feeling anxious and tired, your cortisol rhythm is broken, and breaking it takes time and effort to fix. So how do you fix this? How do you wake up feeling energized instead of exhausted? First, align your sleep schedule with your circadian rhythm. Go to bed and wake up at the exact same time every day, even on weekends. This trains your internal clock. Second, get natural sunlight in your eyes within 30 minutes of waking up. This resets your circadian rhythm. It tells your brain, it's daytime, wake up. Third, avoid blue light at night. Put your phone away 90 minutes before bed. Read a physical book instead. Fourth, if you snore loudly, get tested for sleep apnea. It could change your life. Fifth, manage your stress. Meditate. Exercise. Do whatever you need to lower your cortisol. Sixth, wake up at the correct time in your sleep cycle. Use a sleep tracking app. Wake up during light sleep, not deep sleep. You will feel dramatically better. So here is the secret. You don't wake up exhausted because you're broken. You wake up exhausted because your biology and your environment are fighting each other. Your sleep cycles, your adenosine, your circadian rhythm, your blue light, your cortisol, and maybe even your sleep apnea. They are all working against you. But now you know, and knowing is the first step to fixing it. So tonight, put your phone away, set a consistent schedule, get sunlight in the morning, and wake up during light sleep. If you do these things, you won't just wake up, you will wake up alive, energized, ready to conquer the day. That is the secret reason you wake up exhausted every day, and now you know exactly what to do about it. See you in the next one.